Admittedly, I should have started this by tackling the one I thought was easiest, but I was intrigued to see if I could do the first one, and so that's where I went. In reality, if I were a student working on this particular exam, I would look at this and immediately gravitate towards the final question. It's just a definite integral with a baby u sub. So that's where I would have had it. I would have been like, oh, u is equal to x minus 2. I might have even skipped the u sub on this one, making, because most of us will have troubles with that adjusting bounds appropriately. So if my x was a 29, we have a 27 and 0 for those new bounds. And then this is u to the negative 1/3 du. This one adds another wrinkle. In addition to being a u sub problem, even though I didn't see it till I saw the u sub problem, it's also an indefinite integral, right? We do have a problem child here. We can see in the OG problem that 2 would have made a infinite discontinuity happen in this particular function. So we need to rewrite this if we're going to work on it. This is the limit as x approaches 0. X is a bad. We have x's in our, well, we don't have x's in the problem, but I'm still going to use a. Approaches 0 from the right-hand side of my a to 27 u to the negative 1/3 du, which is equal to u to the 2/3, 3/2, 27 in a, what we're still evaluating at. So we're still bringing around this limit notation until we have evaluated it. We have 3/2 a to the 2/3 minus 3/2 27 to the 2/3. This is just going to go to 0. We have 0 to the 2/3, which is just 0. So this will converge to, and we got to figure out what that number is. We have 27 with a cube root squared, which is equal to 9. And then we're going to multiply that, both of these. I'll be good to make sure I have my equal sign making sense both sides by 3/2. So it converges to 27/2. All right, that was short, so we'll go ahead and see if I can't tackle the last one. In our final piece here, it's another one that I haven't done in a long time. I have vague recollections that it was like a u sub to integration by parts, but I could be wrong. I had no recollections for that first one. I don't think I ever actually did it because no one attempted it last year, so I was able to just skip it. All right, so I think we need a little u is equal to ln of x action, which means my du is 1/x. Don't like it, but I think I'll survive. Oh yeah, I see a way out of here. Okay. So problem right now is that my dx is equal to x times du, and I don't have another. I don't have a 1/x, and I need to figure out how to write x in terms of u. So if I'm going to do that, I need to come to this and say, well, what is x in terms of u? Well, if I put these both as e, x is equal to e to the u. So my dx is equal to e to the u du. So I can solve those nonlinear things. It's like a u sub trick on steroids. I'm solving a nonlinear piece here, a nonlinear u for other variable, and we can. And so if I rewrite this problem now, I am looking at cosine of my u. My dx was equal to eu du. So this is lovely. It has like u sub vibes with a little bit of our, my God, my brain broke right there. U sub trick along with, kind of like a trig sub, because we're replacing our dx with something more complicated, right? Instead of like swapping out for a du, we're replacing our dx, which I guess is how some books sort of handle that anyways. But this we happen to know is that integration by parts where we get that snake that's eating its own tail. So we have that thing coming in. I'm already bored and don't want to do it. Oh God, I could. I don't want to at all. It's not a bad one. It's just you just get the 1/2. You just because you only get 2 of them because there's no extra crap going on. In fact, I'm just going to grab it because I don't want to do the work on it. Cosine x e to the x integral. I should have it memorized, but I always choose things more interesting in it because I feel like it's easy to memorize. I don't want all of the work, internet. I just want the final answer. All right, here we are. So the final answer to this, if I did the integration by parts twice and then wrap back around, is 1/2 e to the x cosine. Oops, we don't have an x yet. This is why I wanted to actually write the answer out. Come on. Computer's lagging. Come on. E to the u cosine of u plus e to the u sine of u plus c, and then we'd have one more step, 1/2 e to the ln of x cosine of ln of x plus e to the ln of x sine of ln of x plus c, and e to the ln of x is just x, so 1/2 x cosine of the ln of x plus x sine of the ln of x plus c. Cute. All right, so that was the final one, which was a fun little u-sub trick to integration by parts.